Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing, or in this case unpackaging, the Logitech M331 Silent Wireless Mouse. As we can see, the package is made from molded plastic, and on the front we can see the device itself. On the bottom we can see some Logitech branding, and on top we can see the model number. On top we can also see that it has a SilentTouch function, which basically means that when you click any of the buttons of the mouse, it won't make a loud clicking sound. Right here we have a picture of the adapter, and over here we can see that it has a 24-month battery life. On the back we have two plastic tabs that can be used to open the package, and here we have a sticker with some information. We can see some manufacturing and importing information. Here we have the package contents, which include the mouse, a receiver, one AA battery, and some documentation. Below that we have some customer care information as well. Most of the information about the specifications of the mouse should be behind the sticker, which we can get to once we open the package. So let's go to that. The mouse features a 90% reduction in noise with the same feel of click. It has a strong and reliable 10-meter wireless connection, and the cursor is smooth and accurate. Right here we can see a symbol which shows off its compatibility with Chromebooks, and we can see the contents of the package once again. We also get some reading information about the safety and compliance information, which is in multiple languages. Getting to the mouse itself, we can see that it is pretty small and compact. It has a triangle finish on the sides, which is rubberized. And at the bottom we can see the compartment where it holds the adapter and a battery. Removing this tab will activate the mouse. Here we also have the Bluetooth adapter with some Logi branding on the side, and we can see that it is a USB Type A interface. And here we also have an on-off switch. We can also see some M331 branding right here, and the Logitech branding on top. The mouse wheel has a rough finish for smooth scrolls. And as you can probably hear, the clicking does not make a lot of sound. Well, this has been the unboxing of the Logitech M331 Silent Wireless Mouse. Thank you for watching.